Hey guys, Kevin with American Garage Door Supply here. You remember when we were in the plant and we were looking at those beautiful powder painted doors? Well, this is a beautiful red door that's in a car wash in southern Minnesota, and I think you're just gonna love it. Now this look is fantastic. It's a hot red and it really draws in customers to this location. It is also a highly protective, very durable powder paint finish. It's a TGIC powder paint process, which is produced in a high quality, very clean atmosphere. Now you can get these variety of colors with any of our polycarbonate door models, whether it's a bronze just with standard commercial galvanized hardware, or our silver, which is the heavy duty galvanized hardware, or if you move up to the gold or platinum models, this powder paint option is available for those as well. Now this particular customer chose our all stainless steel hardware package, which is the platinum. Now if you'd like to learn more about American Garage Door Supply, our specialty products including our polycarbonate survivor doors, our glass doors, air powered operators, or other specialty products, check out our website at carwashdoors.com or give our experienced crew a call at 800-233-1487 and let our experience go to work for you.